Silverline 95 watt drill bit sharpener, the latest model. As you can see, I've already sharpened several of my drill bits, over 30 of them, all sharpened up. I don't know if you can see that. Some drill bits won't sharpen, they're either too hard or they just need cut into shape before you put them in. If the angle's too steep, it won't take any off. Get a bit of dust coming out the front, but I have done 30 or so of them already, and and that is it really. I think it does a good job. Puts a bit more service life into all them drill bits. Obviously you can't do wood bits or masonry, but all the high speed steel ones up to 10mm. Grinding wheel up and down, get it closer, and we'll have a look inside and see if there's any overwear on the grinding wheel. So undid the screws. Good 30 minutes of grinding on there. Wheel looks okay. That'll soon start changing shape if you use it a lot. A little bit of grease on the top there. Top of that nut. You can see why the debris is dropping out the front now. That grinding dust is just running down the front. And it's a 60mm wheel diameter, 3 to 10mm drill bits. Works alright.